In this lesson, we will discuss delete a specific object from a list with dot remove function. So we will learn dot remove function, what it does. I have written some information for you. Delete a specific object from a list with dot remove, and dot remove removes the first item that matches. How you have to write down? First, you have to write down the variable name, then dot remove. Whatever you want to remove, you have to write down in parentheses. If it is a string, then you have to use the quotation. Value error occurs if the object is not available to be removed. So all these points I will discuss with the help of few example. So my first example is color underscore types. If you want to remove yellow, see, it removes dot pop function remove or delete the last item. But if you want to remove some specific item, you have to use dot remove. In parentheses, I have mentioned yellow. When I will run it, you will see yellow is removed from the list. Right here, I have written another example, but I have mentioned red here, red here. There are two times red, but what it says here, remove removes the first item that matches. Even though we have two time red, but it will remove the first red. See, first red is removed, but we have the last. So same thing I have written here, that it removes the first item that matches. But if we have, see, just like we have two times red, in this example I have three times red. If you have two or three or four times the same thing, if you want to delete or remove all, then you have to use the while loop. You have to run the while loop while red in color underscore type. So it will remove red. In second instance, it will remove the second red, and in the third instance, it will remove the third red. And at the end, when there is no more red available, the loop ends. So see, when I will run it, this is print color types. All colors are here. See, we do not have first red here. In the second instance, we do not have the second one, and in the last red is removed. After that, the loop ends. Right, so if you want to remove all the things, then you have to use the while loop. Here I have written one more coding, the same example. You can also use if else statement. If black in color type this one, then remove black. If no black, then no red found. But here our first if condition is true. When I will run it, you will see the black is removed from the list. But if I will make this pink here, see, pink is not in our list. So the first this if condition is false, then system will go to the else condition. And see, when I will no pink, I will make this pink as well. See, no pink found, and all the colors are here. The last example, in these colors we do not have pink. When I will run it, you will see value error, means list dot removed. Whatever you have written here does not exist in the list. And this is the last point, value error occurs if the object is not available to be removed. Now please practice it. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.